want you guys to see how it looks when I take it off of there. Okay. See that. And I'm thinking, everybody, my 92 Chevy Caprice, taking off the water pump. This is the water pump right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that I see so far. So I'm gonna remove those screws, and you will need a 15 to remove them. All right. I'll loosen that one already. Two. These screws are looking kind of oily to me as I take them out. I don't know why, but they are looking kind of oily. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be working on this car. Subscribe to my channel so you can see I work on bolts. Will you turn the camera to that bolt so they can see my bolt? That's the bolt right there I got. I'm getting ready to do the trailer. Subscribe to my channel so you can see that. You get my bike too. That's my bike over there. I work on that also sometimes. Subscribe to my channel so you can see that. I fish. I'm getting ready to post a fishing video. Subscribe to my channel so you can see that. Alright, I took off the four screws, and that can't be it because that thing is not okay. I don't suggest you knock it around like I did, but that's it. I gotta remove that hose off there, guys. This hose right here. Stuff pouring out of it too, so I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm gonna remove that and then pull it out. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. All right, here we go. Water pump unboxing. You can go up to AutoZone and ask for a water pump for a 92 Chevy Caprice. Take your VIN number in there. I'll show you guys how much this costs. Also, VIN number in there, and it came with the gasket. And this gasket, I'm gonna show you where this gasket goes. This one right here. You're gonna have to clean off the these right here, because that's where the gasket. Clean it off, and I'm gonna get a screwdriver, shave it off, and spray. Hey everybody. All right, I'm getting ready to put this stuff in, but I just wanted to show you something real quick. This is the piece that broke off, and these are the bolts that came out of it. These right here. So you're able to just unscrew these and then screw them into this one. Unscrew them out of the old one, screw them into the new one, and then if you have a Chevy 92, you're gonna have this piece right here. Make sure you put it to where the screws are up, because the fan goes on top of those. And once you put the fan on and you put the nuts on, and when you screw them, be careful to not strip these right here when you take them off, and then you'll be able to put them back on. And you want to make sure that you twist every single one on there before you put your fan on, to make sure that you didn't strip it, because if you stripped it, then you're gonna need to replace it. You're gonna need to replace them. So just make sure that everyone twists on there really good. And then